Hey guys, Smalls and Talls here. It is a trip this time with just me and Talls like the old days. We are here at Vogel State Park at the Trahlyta Lake Trail. We're going to be heading over to the waterfall and checking it out.
Let's get hiking.
Hi guys, we are on the Trahlyta Lake Trail. I believe I'm pronouncing that correctly. We have never officially made it to this waterfall before. The last time we were here, we got pretty close to it, and Talls unfortunately stepped into a nest of yellow jackets and got stung pretty bad multiple times. So we just headed back to the car. But this time we should make it. I'm gonna let him go first in case he stirs them up. And he can run on and I'll just sit here and cry. All right guys, let's get hiking. Alright guys, so far so good. We've been in the tree cover the whole time. It's a beautiful day out. Not a lot of people out. We had about an 85% chance of thunderstorms all weekend. So it ran everybody off. We stopped by the mountain crossing store and we were literally the only ones in there other than a couple people who work there. But we're heading on here to the falls. We can hear them now in the distance. We're heading here across the dam. As you can see over there is the beach area and everything there at Vogel State Park. Beautiful day. We did have storms the whole way in. Lucky for us though, we got here and everything is clear. We got blue skies. See how long it lasts. All right guys, let's keep hiking. What up, Talls?
What up?
How you liking this hike?
I'm loving it.
Beautiful view through here, bud. Alright guys, we have made it back here to the car. Beautiful park here. We come here a lot, just never done the waterfall because Talls got stung by bees last time we were here, so we didn't quite make it there. So it's a very short hike. I think it's about a mile round trip, maybe a little bit more. But the waterfall is definitely worth it. There's a ton of trails here. The big trail here is Bear Hair Trail, and that's quite a big trail. I don't remember the exact mileage, but you can backpack it. But alright guys.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. S&T. Peace out.